We got a couple more songs here and then we're all done for tonight, but thank you to everybody.
On va slow things down, on va rater les choses. Une chanson de Tim McGraw, Shotgun Rider.
I just got to ride to those honky-tonk bar signs they open, but past those who try. Songs about free thinking and drinking, I sure lights my fire. That flaming skulls in my home like an old brandy line. Yesterday's nothing but dust. I brushed off my blues. But I wear it out, road through it up, that I'm missing you. If I leave you wandering within, I'll be back again. Between Texas and ranchers and old friends, where do you fit in? He said, "Buddy, old man, where are you going? Don't you know that the life of a cowboy is no good alone? If you tear down the fence, rusty barbed wire, then I'll be down beside you and me, your shotgun
Merci, thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, everybody.